morning student. I am Sonu Sharma from Golden Public School. I wish you all are very fine. Children, today we will learn about pronouns. Do you remember that? What are nouns? Nouns are the name of a person, places, thing or an animal. नाउन किसको कहते हैं बच्चे? Yes, some examples are teacher, book, school, dog and chocolate. Yes, these are nouns, etc. Yes, these are nouns. And pronouns are those words that are used in the place of nouns. Pronouns कौन से वर्ड है बच्चे जो हम nouns की प्लेस पर यूज करते हैं? ओके, आई गिव यू सम एग्जांपल. सोनू शर्मा. यस, और आई क्या है? किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? सोनू शर्मा के लिए. और ये क्या है? नाउन. दिस इज द नाउन. एंड आई किसके लिए यूज हुआ बच्चे? नाउन के लिए. और ये क्या है? हो गया फिर प्रोनाउन. मैम ने क्या बोला? Pronoun are that words used in the place of nouns. Okay? Some more examples. Seema is my best friend. Okay, Seema is my best friend. Seema is noun. Again sentence. Next sentence आप देखिएगा. Seema's father is a doctor. Okay. Next sentence. Seema's mother is a housemaker. Okay. Next is Seema's brother is a player. Look at these sentences. अब देखिए बच्चे. Look at these sentences. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? ये नाउन रिपीट हो रहा है अगेन एंड अगेन. नाउन क्या हमारा? सीमा. सीमा's father, सीमा's mother, सीमा's brother. अब ये हम बार बार नाउन को रिपीट तो नहीं कर सकते ना, तो इनके प्लेस पर जो हम वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे उनको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोनाउन. क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे? प्रोनाउन. अब इनके प्लेस पर सीमा इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. हाँ, father is a doctor. Her mother is a housemaker. Her brother is a क्लियर। यहाँ ये हर वर्ड ये क्या है, प्रोनाउन। ओके बच्चे, so student, we do not have to repeat the same nouns, so when we use pronoun. Okay, now take your English grammar book, Grammar Success with Composition, open it, page number 28, topic 6, pronoun. Now let's start with me. So student, this is the definition of pronoun. Words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Repeat again. Words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Look at these examples. I am Ratna. I am Ratna. Look at me. Here, I and me stand for the girl. And these are the pronouns. We are Sunil and Sameer. We are Sunil and Sameer. Look at us. Here, we and us stand for Sunil and Sameer. Clear बच्चे? We and us stand for Sunil and Sameer, and these words are pronoun. You are Rohit. I like you. Here you stand for Rohit. Next is he is Arun. He is Arun. Look at him. Here he and him stand for Arun. And Arun is a noun. Okay बच्चे? And noun की place पे हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? He and him. Next is she's doctor. Look at her. Here she and her stand for the doctor. Next is it is dog. It is playing with a ball. Here it stands for the dog. They are brother and sister. They are brother and sister. Look at them. Here they and them stand for brother and sister. Next is they are flowers. Touch them. Here they and them stand for the flowers. The words I, me, you, we, us, he, she, they and it, which are used instead of nouns, are called pronouns. Okay बच्चे? Next, these are the rules for how can they use pronoun. Na? Pronoun I stand for one person who is speaking. It is always written in capital letter. Second is pronoun we stand for more than one person who are speaking. Next is pronoun you stand for the person who is being spoken to. It can be used with one or more than one. Look at the example 2. Sorry, 3. You are Rohit. Okay? इन्होंने किसके लिए बोला? Second person के लिए. You are Rohit. Yes, बच्चे? Next is pronoun he stand for the name of one boy or man we are speaking about. Next pronoun she stand for the name of one girl or woman we are speaking about. Pronoun it stand for one thing, place or animal we are speaking about. Pronoun they stand for more than one person, animal or thing we are speaking about. Now come to our exercise A. Rewrite the given sentences using the pronouns from the box given below. One is done for you as an example. First is, here are some pronouns. He, it, we, they, she. Okay? Next is, our first example is, Polly is my pet parrot. अब रिराइट किया हमने सेंटेंस को. It is my pet parrot. Okay? It is used. Sentence 2. Sweta is my younger sister. Sister? Sweta is a girl. So, we write the sentence she. We use the pronoun she. She is my younger sister. Next is Sweta and I love each other. Here is person more than one, so we can use we. We love each other. Okay? Sam and Sumit are playing hockey. Sam and Sumit. So, we use they. They are playing hockey. T-H-E-Y. They are playing hockey. Raman is painting the flower pots. Raman is, yes, boy. So we use he. He is painting the flower pots. Next, Rohit and Rajan are twin brothers. So, they are twin brothers. My brother is sitting in the garden. He is sitting in the garden. Okay, next is my grandma and grandpa are watching TV. So we use they are watching TV. Okay? Fine, student. You complete your work, take a pic and send it to your ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.